Introduction. Hello and welcome to Adobe Illustrator. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basics of getting started with Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful vector graphics editing software that is used to create stunning designs and artwork. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this tutorial will help you get started with Adobe Illustrator. Step 1. Install Adobe Illustrator. The first step in getting started with Adobe Illustrator is to install the software. You can download Adobe Illustrator from the Adobe website or Creative Cloud app. Once you have downloaded the installer, run it and follow the on-screen instructions to install Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Step 2. Open a new document. After installing Adobe Illustrator, launch the software. You will be presented with a welcome screen. Click on the Create New button to create a new document. In the New Document window, you can set the document size, orientation, and other properties. Step 3. Understand the interface. The Adobe Illustrator interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's quite easy to navigate. The main interface consists of the following elements. Menu bar. Located at the top of the screen, the menu bar contains all the tools and commands you need to work with Adobe Illustrator. Toolbar. The toolbar is located on the left-hand side of the screen and contains all the essential tools you will need to create your designs. Artboard. The artboard is the white canvas area where you will create your designs. Panels. The panels are located on the right-hand side of the screen and contain various tools and options for creating and editing your designs. Step 4. Create your first design. Now that you understand the basics of the Adobe Illustrator interface, it's time to create your first design. You can use the various tools and panels to create shapes, lines, and other elements for your design. You can also import images and use them as a reference for your designs. Step 5. Save your design. Once you have created your design, it's essential to save it. Click on the File menu and select Save to save your design. You can also export your design in various formats, including PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have now learned the basics of getting started with Adobe Illustrator. With a little practice, you will be able to create stunning designs and artwork using this powerful vector graphics editing software. Remember to explore the various tools and options available to you and experiment with different designs to find your style. Happy designing!